Okay, so hi guys, so this is Michael Babao, and today's topic is how to draw or open the Balisong or the butterfly knife in the easiest way, the fastest way. So this is the trick. Okay, you got it right. So again, so the trick there is you need, don't hold the bottom part, hold it here and make sure that this lock is on the outside, and this point, this one is facing upward, and the technique is you need to toss it a little bit with a little twist, so kind of like this. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's it. So again, you can put this in the other way. Okay, one more. Okay, yeah. So that's the easiest way, rather than that, or yeah. Okay, just need a little practice there. One more. Okay, made a mistake a little there. Okay, Jesus. Okay. Okay, one more. Yeah. So it's kind of like, yeah, that's it. Get them. Okay, got it. Got it. Got it, and I don't get it. So I don't get it. Huh. So you get my picture. You got what I meant, right? At least you learned something here on how to open the Balisong or the butterfly knife in the easiest way, or the fastest way, which is a fast draw. Oh jeez, made a mistake there. Yeah. If you have any questions or suggestions about this video, you can ask me on the description, or just put it on the comment section of my video. And if ever that you want to donate, I have a PayPal there, link on the description. You can put it. And lastly, yeah, okay, done it. I strongly suggest that you need to, if you're a beginner, you need to buy something like a training butterfly or Balisong knife, because if you will buy something sharp, I'm afraid that you will have a lot of cuts on your hand, and you can't practice very well because it really hurts, and because you have many wounds and cuts in your hand. I bought this for only $6, or in the Philippines 300 pesos. So I strongly suggest that you need to buy this first before you go for dual blade or single blade, with a blade that can cut your hand. So hope you learned something today in my video. Please like and subscribe, and share this video as well on your friends. Okay, so this is Michael. Fastest way to draw the knife, the butterfly knife, quick draw, and thank you for watching.